Honorable Speaker, when this House was called a number of times for the special sitting on this bill, I decided to go to the Hansard room. I decided to listen to all the 11th Parliament and look for specific. And I picked on one afternoon when the late Charles Njonjo decided to introduce legislation that made Kenya one-party system. On the onset, I want to thank our worthy competitors in this House. And we have shown them for the first time that the largest political caucus in this House, with 137 members, is none other than UDA. Mr. Speaker, may I go on record to thank the office of the Speaker, the office of the Clerk, the many men and women who serve in the legal department, who I could call them at short notice, to make sure that the people of Garissa Township and the brigade that I caucus around the UDA, ideas and amendments are executed. Mr. Speaker, as we retreat back to our homes, some of us, we will walk with our conscience very high. We will go home, have dinner, shower, and sleep. And I'm sure some other people will be around Parliament building for about 2 hours. What they will be doing, I don't know. Mr. Speaker, I want to go into history. I want to go into history that this House has passed a bill, a proposed bill. This bill will go to the Senate within the reading of Article 109 and 110. This bill, if in the event the Senate even do a comma, I will have another opportunity on this floor to deal with this bill. If this House disagrees with the Senate in that comma, this bill will end up in mediation. So as you retreat and you go to many other offices within the building, I want to prove, Mr. Speaker, within the building can mean your own offices. Relax. It can mean your own offices. It can be. Why are you guilty? I did not say anything. It can mean the bar. It can be the lounge. I'm only saying, as you go to other within the honorable Jude Jomo, we are neighbors. I can, after you finish your business, I can give you a lift.
Honorable Duale.
Let me finish.
I'm sure you're concluding so that.
Now, Chair,
yeah.
And we must speak to the people of Kenya. And Mr. Speaker, I saw one of the speakers' panel saying, don't turn the House into politics. This is a House of high voltage politics. This is a House of debate. This is a House that has shown in the 12th Parliament. Mr. Speaker, I served in ODM in the 10th Parliament with 106 members. I served with URP and TNA with 133 members. Today, I want to confirm that the largest political caucus is none other than UDA, led by the chief hustler, by the deputy president. Okay. And those who don't subscribe to that, you look for the nearest transformer, go hang yourself.
Very well.